PlanetTogether software has an excellent feature called splitting views, in which you can use the main PlanetTogether window split up into multiple views to see more information on the screen at once. This may be a concept that's unfamiliar to you. We'll be splitting up this window and using docking icons. To start, in the lower left corner at the View tabs, double-click on any of the View tabs. You notice it becomes undocked and floating. Take your mouse and click and drag by holding down the left mouse button on the View header. You'll notice the docking icons appear in the center and on the edges. Move the pointer so that it's over one of the docking points, and you'll notice the blue area highlights, and then let go of the mouse to drop it. Let's try that again. Double click on the View, click and drag the header, and drop it on the desired spot where the docking icon lights up with the blue highlighted area. You'll notice these gray dark lines. These are border lines for the views and can be adjusted as desired. Also, if you need to move a view from one area to another, you can just click and drag the header and then drop it in the desired area once the blue highlighted area shows up. When you're finished splitting the views and you want to combine them back to normal, just click and drag the header on any view over to the docking icon right in the center, the very center. You'll notice the entire other view is highlighted in blue, and then drop there. Repeat this to get back to your normal screen.